Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is October 23rd, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Aria. Build and secure your agentic ecosystem on Aria's AI orchestration and security platform. OpenAI is paying more than 100 former bankers to train Project Mercury, designed to automate junior bankers' tasks in investment banking. They are reportedly paid $150 an hour to create financial models, analyses, and presentations. It should learn to analyze balance sheets, perform valuations, and prepare data, tasks handled by entry-level bankers. Analysts estimate automation could save banks up to $180 billion annually. Bloomberg Intelligence says up to 200,000 jobs may be at risk. Sources say the technology could be ready in 12 to 18 months. OpenAI's Broadcom partnership aims for 20 to 30% chip cost savings. Internal documents show Amazon plans to automate 75% of its U.S. operations by 2033, potentially eliminating the need to hire 600,000 future workers. The shift would replace new hiring rather than trigger immediate mass layoffs, and 160,000 roles could be avoided as soon as 2027, saving the company over $12 billion. Amazon calls the papers incomplete and says they do not reflect full staffing strategy. Economists, including Nobel laureate Daron Acemoglu, warn the company could shift from job creator to job destroyer and that other firms might follow. The revelations intensify debate about the future of warehouse work.
Ad break.
Feeling AI anxiety? Aria's enterprise AI orchestration platform lets you deploy AI quickly without compromising security or compliance. Give your teams confidence to innovate. Get started for free at aria.com, AIRIA.com. Anthropic has released a desktop app for Claude on macOS and Windows. The app sits permanently in the dock or the taskbar, making the assistant quickly available without leaving the current work context. macOS users get shortcuts such as a double tap on the Option key to take a screenshot with a crosshair selector. Claude receives and analyzes the image immediately. Caps Lock starts voice recording, which is transcribed live and inserted into the chat. Chat history and projects remain available and sync across desktop, web, and mobile. The app is free and supports enterprise distribution via installer packages like MSX for Windows. No article text was provided. I cannot rewrite or summarize content without the source material. To proceed, supply the full article text, the target word count, the two-letter language code, and the target audience as described in your task. Include any specific constraints or deviations from the core style rules if they differ from the defaults. Providing the original article ensures accuracy and prevents addition of facts not present in the source. After receiving the article and parameters, I will produce a concise, neutral, and engaging podcast script that adheres to the formatting and number rules you specified. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.